Hey guys, for this video, I am going to teach you how to use Pipit AI by Capcut. So first, search for this website, https://pipit.capcut.com. So then click login and simply continue with your Gmail. So now here you'll see the questions. What do you feel like creating today? So you'll have options like marketing, avatar video, AI talking photo, poster, and product photo. So let's try clicking the avatar video. So here you'll see different AI humans talking and endorsing a product. These are sample AIs you can use for your business. And also, there are two types of plans. So for the free plan, it includes 150 credits per week, two AI-powered features, and 500 GB of storage. So for the monthly plan, it will cost you 1,000 pesos for Philippine money, and if you converted it to dollars, I think it's $17. So it will gives you 1,800 credits plus free 200 credits. So this is a limited offer. So maybe because it's a new feature or you just sign up now. So after that, you can export a video. You'll see how many free credits you have left, like 12 credits here. So I think that's enough to generate a video. There's also an option to remove the watermark. So okay, let's try another feature that I think it's more effective for marketing and I know you will love it. So go to the video generator. Here you can generate based on your own website. So just paste your link here. You'll get 150 free credits, and I think that's good for one generated video. So you can also buy credits if you want. So let's try using the link itself of pipit.com just for an example. So the video that will be generated will act like a commercial for pipit.com. That's how simple it is. You just paste your website link and wait. So after it generates, it will let you choose what message to include in the video. It gathers info from your website and lets you choose your target audience. Cool, right? So then select your AI avatar from the choices. And you can also pick a voice. Just click confirm when you're done. So now, click AI recommended media. You can choose a stock video that matches your website. So since I use pipit.com, I'll choose something that looks techy or like someone editing a video. So if there are trending seasons like back to school, you can use that as your theme too. And also you can promote something like free shipping. So now in this part, you can select the video size like 9 by 16 for reels, and you can also choose the language. So once everything looks good, just click generate. This example costs 120 credits, and since you have 150, you can generate it now. And just wait, and Pipit will automatically create your video. So after that, you'll see the result. You can choose which video you like, and you can download all of them if you want.
Sign
So
and
let's
turns
try
chaos
one
into a
video.
breeze with AI video magic. I love how it's made my workday so much smoother. Imagine zero tech headaches, just seamless access. Grab yours now and enjoy free shipping.
So see, it's advertisingpipit.com. That's how easy it is. You just paste the link and Pipit handle the rest.